Dear students, today we are reading about a pair of linear equation in two variable, class 10th, exercise 3.5. Question number 4. From a pair of linear equation in following problems and find their solution if they exist by any algebraic method. We have to learn about three methods: substitution methods, elimination method, and cross multiplication method. Now we have to solve any algebraic method. Question number first, fourth part. First question: a part of monthly hostel charge is fixed and remaining depend on the number of days one has taken food in the mess. Let the fixed charge be X rupees and the additional charge be Y rupees according to question. When a student A takes food for 20 days, she has to pay 1000, means X rupees are fixed plus 20 days extra, 20 days Y equal to 1000 rupees, first equation. And whereas a student B who takes food in the 26 days, X plus 26Y equal to 1180, then second equation. Solve by elimination method. By elimination method, minus minus minus, this is cancel out, this is minus 6y equal to minus 180, then y equal to 180 by 6 3 is 80, 30, means additional charge will be 1 day 30 rupees. And putting the value of y in equation first, x plus 20y equal to 1000, x plus 20 multiply 30, 1000, 3 4 to the 6, x equal to 1000 minus 600, we getting 400 rupees. Fixed charge will be mass 400 rupees. Similarly, you solve all parts. I am making only equation of these questions. Okay. In the question number second part, a fraction becomes 1 by 3. Let the fraction be x by y according to question. Fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator. X minus 1 by y equal to 1 by 3. Second, it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. Cross multiplying, 3x minus 3 equal to y, 3x minus y equal to 3, first equation. 4x equal to y plus 8, 4x minus y equal to 8. You solve yourself by any algebraic methods. 3. Yes, scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 marks for each wrong answer. Let the marks for wrong answer y and the marks for right answer x according to question. Yes, scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 marks. This means 3 marks right answer plus wrong answer 1 and getting 40, first equation. Second, had 4 marks awarded for each correct answer. 4x plus 2y equal to 50. This is 2 equation. You solve yourself. Fourth part, place A and B are 100 kilometers apart in a highway. One car starts from A and another from B at the same time. If the car travel in the same direction at speed of same speed, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, then they meet in 1 hour. What are the speed of the two car? Let the speed of car who start from point A, who start from point A, x kilometer per hour, and the speed of car who start from point B, y kilometer per hour. What is x kilometer and y kilometer? Now according to question, total distance will be x plus y equal to 100 kilometer. Second, 5x minus y equal to 100. Then x minus y equal to 100 by 5. We getting x minus y equal to 20. First equation and second equation. Question number 4, part number 5. You solve yourself. Okay, today this exercise will be completed.